Hello everyone, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy your special cards, how to buy the markets generally. Now you can see that there's something first of all we need to understand about Hamster. Now, a revelation, just came up that what we have here actually is not the real coins that we will be getting at the end of the airdrop period, but in fact it is this one. It is this one here, which if you think about it is actually true, because if you come to the home page right here, okay, if you come to the home page, the only thing we can actually do here is just tap so that what we can get this coin. But what are we here to do in reality? We're actually here to actually mine the airdrop. And now if you click on the airdrop, what do you see here? What you can find here are actually all these things that you are seeing here. Okay, they are actually all these things that you are seeing here, of which you have market, and these are some of the things we are supposed to buy. And as we are buying all these things, as we are buying all of them, okay, it will be adding to our what profits per hour. Then, well, this one is just a new feature that has been introduced. Every day a new set of cards will be placed here for us to guess. Now all these ones have been guessed already. This one was for yesterday and it has been guessed already, and if you are able to guess it before the day is over, that is when you will be able to get this your 5 million coins per for the day is actually a bonus. So if you want to get if you want to know the card for the day, the card combination, card combo for the day, okay, then you can actually come into our WhatsApp group, join us on our WhatsApp group and our Telegram group, so that you can get all the information you need. And actually do well to also subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and also share the video, and then you'll be able to get good content on this channel. But also join us on our WhatsApp group and Telegram group, as I've mentioned before, so that you will get you'll be among the first to get these juicy updates. Now let us continue. So in all these things, if you see here, there are markets, there is PR&T, there is legal, and then there is special. So now let's focus on this special. Let's focus on this special. Click on the special, and now you can see that these are the cards that I bought, that I have bought already. You can see they are under my cards. Okay, these are the cards that I have bought already. If you want to buy new cards, these are the new cards. Okay, now these are cards that have been missed because we didn't know on time, and then unfortunately I was unable to buy this one. Now that we know what to do, now for us to be able to get this new card, there are different conditions that has to be met. Okay, for example, if there are some cards that you may be required to invite maybe at least one friend before you are eligible to buy them. Some cards are, some special cards are there that you can actually buy them without fulfilling any conditions, while some other cards are there, before you can buy them you need to first of all go and buy other ones. Let me show you a typical example of what I just bought. Now if you look at, if we scroll down, this is the Dubai card that I just bought. Dubai card, you can see here it says you own this card. If I click on it, if you see that the go ahead is no longer enabled. Why? Because I have bought it already. For me to be able to buy this card, I was given the condition to buy Dubai license up to level 15. Now let me show you where Dubai license is. If you go to legal, Okay, some of these cards you actually have to go and look for them where they are, and then get them up to the level they are telling you to get. Now if you look at this is where under legal, this is what license UAE. Okay, Dubai is in UAE. Okay, so you click on it. If you let's look at this small thing here. Where is this? What do you see here? LVL 15, that is level 15. Okay, but I've bought the level 15, so I actually had to continue to buy this Dubai card up to level 15. Now I don't think I'm interested in buying this card anymore, because I've actually gotten the special card. But if you want to go ahead, you can go ahead. You can, if you want to go ahead to buy more, you can buy more. But then I've already gotten the special card, so why do I need to buy again? Now, one thing the CEO mentioned in some of the hamster community is that when you are spending your coins, spend wisely. In fact, that thing jumped to me, and that's what you need to have at the back of your mind when you are buying all these things. So I've already gotten the special card. I don't think there is any need for me to buy this one again, so that I can have money to buy other special cards. Because from my own thinking, I suspect that these special cards are going to carry what enough benefits. Now another thing is, if you look at this, now we are back to special and we are back to new card. For me to be able to buy this NFT collection that you are seeing here, what do I need to do? This is the condition here, that I have to buy this what margin trading 100, margin trading times 100 up to what level 10. If you look at it, okay, if you see the condition, you can see that it's not enabling me to buy. Why? Because I've not met the condition. I've not met the condition. So what do I need to do? What I need to do is actually, I will have to go and look for this margin trading 100 level and buy it up to level 10, and buy it up to level 10 here. Okay, so what do? I have to go and look for it among either the market, PR team, legal, and so on. So meaning that this kind of thing, margin trading, then it probably may be on in market. So I'll look for it. So let me pause and go and look for it, then we continue. Okay, I've been able to locate margin trading here. Margin trading level, the margin trading 100. So but the condition again, after I have located it, let's see if you can click on it. Okay, you can see I'm not able to click on it. So the condition for me to be able to even click on it and buy it is that I have to go and look for short squeeze and buy it up to level 3. Short squeeze up to level 3. So I'll pause the video again and look for short squeeze. So I've done a thorough search and I couldn't see short squeeze. So that means that I won't be able to buy the margin trading for this margin trading for margin trading times 100. I will not be able to buy it because I could not find the short squeeze. So my inability to buy the margin trading 100 simply means that I will not be able to purchase these special cards, special cards right here. Now then it means that I will have to see how I can buy margin trading 50 up to level 15. So what do? I go back again to market. So since it's trading, I suspect that it's going to be under market. So I go to market right here. Okay, so I go to market, then I look for margin trading up to margin trading times 50. So we can see margin trading times 50 here. Can you see that? Margin trading times 50. So the next thing here now is you look, it's now I can't buy margin trading times 50. Why? Because the condition again for me to buy margin trading times 50 is for me to buy what? Margin trading times 30. Up to what? Which level are we seeing there? We are seeing level 8. Level 8. That level 8 right there. So I look for margin trading times 30. Now, just by the side here, I'm able to see margin trading times 30. Margin trading times 30. So I think so far so good. If you look at it here, I've been buying up to level, I've bought up to level 7. So just for me to buy one more level, and then I will be able to buy this margin trading times 50. So what do? I just simply click on margin trading times 30 and then click on go ahead. And it's going to cost me over 19,000, as you have seen there. Okay, so I've achieved it. Now you can see that the padlock on margin trading times 50 has been removed, which simply means that I can buy margin trading times 50. But let me go back and check up to which level I'm supposed to buy margin trading times 50 in the special card. So I've come back to special. I've come back to my new, under new cards that I want to buy. So I'm seeing margin trading times 50. So I'm supposed to buy it up to level 15. Well, I hope the money I have will be able to buy all these things. So, but let's try. So we go back to markets, margin trading, markets. Wait, let me just quickly see level 15. Okay. So we go back to markets, margin trading times 50. So this margin trading times 50. So we quickly go ahead and buy. So we are still in level what? Look at this level. This is level 0. So we are going to level 15. Let's see. So we buy 1, we buy again 2, and then how much do I have? Let me see. I have 7 million. So let's see. Hopefully I'll be able to buy everything. And then I continue to buy. So I'll pause this video so that it won't be too long. So I've been able to buy up to level 15. Margin trading times 50 up to what? See, level 15, LVL 15. Now we can now buy that special card. So we quickly go back to special. Okay, go click on special, click on new cards. Then you can see right here this bug enough this thing. So it's enabling me to buy. And how much is it? How much is it here? Just 5,000. Meanwhile, my account, the coins is, I have millions before, now it's now less than 1 million. So I can just simply click on it and buy the card. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how to spend wisely. The CEO mentioned spend wisely. So this is how to spend wisely on, in all these things. So if you want to buy the special card, this is how you go about buying all these cards. We don't just buy indiscriminately. Okay, you don't just buy indiscriminately. This is how to actually go about buying special all these special cards. Okay. So in the event that there are no special cards to buy, then how do you now spend your what is it called, your coins? Do you just buy anything anyhow? No. What you simply do is that you look for the card or the market, whether markets PR team legal. Okay, you look for the ones that are, they cost less coins but give you more profits per hour. For example, if you have, let's say the general price in the market is 1,000 coins for 100 profits. Okay, now you are now seeing another coin that is 1,500 coins that is giving you about 250 profits. Okay, so which one will you go for? Are you going to go for the 1,100 profits or 1,500, 250 profits. Definitely you will go for the one of what 1,500 for what 250, because with the first 1,000 first, you are able to secure the 100 profits. Okay, then with 500, with just 500 coins, you are able to secure extra 150 profit. So the 1,500 coins for 250 profit is the most profitable one. So that is how to spend wisely in all these things. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how to go about this. So please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share with your friends. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know if a video pops up. Better still, you can join us in our WhatsApp group and Telegram group so that you will get direct and first-hand information. Meanwhile, remember also that the new feature has come up. Each day you will be getting what this combination combo. Now this one have been solved already. If it has not been solved, what you will see there is what question mark, question mark, question mark. So we've been able to solve this in our group. So join us in our WhatsApp and Telegram group for you to get all this kind of information. Stay blessed and see you in the next video. This is the Easy Earners Club.